Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the F33 320D M Sport Saloon, presented in the Melbourne Red. Alongside that, we've of course also added a full Your Next Car M Performance body styling kit, and we've upgraded the alloy wheels to the 19-inch 403M alloys that we just had professionally refurbished in gloss black. And you'll see at the front of the car it is a 2015 15 plate. Down the side of the car you can see again this vehicle has been very well looked after. Also comes with the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, both the satin side vinyls and gloss black sidebars, which work really well. Possibly the best working colours is the gloss black and the Melbourne Red. The interior again works nicely in contrast with the Melbourne Red exterior. We've got an Oyster Dakota leather, and in the front you can see there it does come with the electric lumbar adjustment for both drivers and passengers. And we've also got that incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox. Moving on to the rear now, where we have a very spacious 3-seat Isofix rear bench with a central folding armrest and a darkened M Sport headlining. As you can see there, that's all been kept in really good condition as well. And before heading round to the very rear, again, thanks to having the alloys professionally refurbished, you can see there, they're all unmarked. And at the back we've opted to go for the high gloss rear boot spoiler and the matching rear diffuser on this 3 Series. And we'll pop open the boot and you can see how much space you do have within the F33 3 Series. And then round at the driver's side, again you can see everything is exactly as it should be within terms of it being clean and tidy and looking well with those additions we've made. And we'll quickly jump on inside, just quickly show you a couple of features and functions of this nice 3 Series, including the BMW Business navigation and media. Starting with the sat nav, once we started the car, you can see there that that's a really nice user-friendly system. We have also got on this vehicle the Bluetooth telephone and audio alongside DAB, and we do also have external devices for both USB, AUX and Bluetooth audio. And going back to the main menu, we'll check out the service requirements and service history in just a second. It's covered just over 51,000 miles. I've also got the cruise and speed limiter options, as well as voice and volume controls. Going through into the service history screen now, you can see everything is in green, and there is a total of the 2 services on the iDrive, as you can see there, and the rest of the service requirements have all been carried out independently with documents to back that service history up. So thank you very much. If you've enjoyed the walk around, do hope you have, and you can find more about the car back down below following the links to our website, or alternatively getting in touch via the contact details below. Thank you, take care, bye bye.